I'm Calvin Bradley. I'm the technical lead for Michelin Aerodynamic Solutions and the aerodynamicist that designed Energy Guard. Energy Guard is an integrated aerodynamic system. It's unique because all the components that we have are designed to work together. So with aerodynamics, 1 + 1 doesn't always equal 2. We have to design the system so that everything complements each other. One of the unique features of this guard is it's very robust and very durable. We've got some unique technology that allows us to go over obstacles without damaging the skirt panel, but also we've designed it with an angle that is best designed to work with the rest of the components as we move to the back. Because really what we're doing here is we're designing the wake of the trailer in the turbulent area at the back. So moving back, we have our aerodynamic mud flaps. These mud flaps, each individual louver is actually an aerodynamic profile, and the spacing is progressive as you go from the bottom to the top, where we have more open space at the top than at the bottom. And that's because as items are thrown from the tire, they come off tangentially and they'll come at a low angle at the bottom, and as they come up, it's a higher and higher angle, and it also helps the spray reduction. All these work together to design the wake of the trailer, so the turbulent area at the back of the trailer, which is one of the biggest sources of drag on the trailer. We have the side fairings. These are half airfoils, so they accelerate and start turning the airflow. And there's a similar part on the top, and these are to control the size and intensity of the wake at the back, which is the low pressure on the back door of the trailer that's pulling the trailer back. The last piece we have, because we've designed all of the system up to here, we can also control inside the wake, inside the turbulent zone, which is unique for this system. That's where our wake reducer comes in. So the air that's coming underneath the trailer, that tends to come up and come up to the back door, and it comes down at a very high speed right here. This is where we have the lowest pressure on the back of the trailer. And this is like a non-traditional spoiler. So it's tripping up the air that's coming down the back of the back door of the trailer and prevents it from interfering with the air that's coming underneath the trailer. And all that is designed so that the system is going to complement and overall very much reduce the aerodynamic drag on the trailer.
I'm Daryl Baer, lead engineer and COO of MVT Solutions. We're here at the test track testing the Michelin Energy Guard aerodynamic system. From the fleet perspective, we see a lot of benefits from this system. Number one, it has good fuel savings. Secondly, there are no moving parts. So from a maintenance side, it's very good. You're not going to have a lot of things that you have to replace. The third thing is durability. You can see that it's very low profile. You don't have a lot of things that are going to be run into by a driver or other drivers. We're very impressed with this aerodynamic system, and actually I have to say that we're quite surprised with how much fuel this product saves. We saw fuel savings around 10 gallons per 1,000 miles, which was just a little bit less than 9%, which is right on par with a good trailer skirt and boat tail product. And we actually tested that back to back with the products in the market today and found that they're within about 1% and even better. So there are definitely a lot of fuel savings with this Michelin system. And you know, we've tested a lot of trailer skirts and mud flap systems, and also wake reducers on the back of the trailer. And in most cases, we found that the results weren't generally as much as people would advertise they are, but this system actually is. And so the question comes up as to why. You know, how does this system save so much fuel? And the answer really comes down to how hard Michelin has worked at this. They've been working on this for a few years. Simply just made a system that's very good. They've spent a lot of time, done a lot of R&D with it, and the fuel savings show. For more information on the test, you can go to our website, mvts.com, and see the full report.